Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be making wings. So I'm gonna make the wings two ways. You're gonna have part one, which I'm gonna make today, which are the baked ones, and then part two, which is gonna come the next week, which is gonna be the fried ones. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my social media platforms plus my website. Please go check out my website. That's where all my information is at about my businesses. And before I forget, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also guys, without further ado, let's get into it.
Perfect.
Okay, so on this one we're gonna start off with some olive oil, then some peri peri, then we add in some chopped garlic, and then we move on to some barbecue spices, and then some salt and pepper according to your taste, so you can add in as much as you want. And then after that we're just gonna mix everything together. Make sure everything is mixed in completely, and then from there we'll add in the pieces of wings, or the chicken wings, and then we'll just make sure we coat both sides. We just make sure that we coat both sides, and then after coating them we just cover it with foil, which I didn't put in the video. Pop them into the oven, leave them in there for I think between about 20 to 30 minutes, because these are very small, they would have cooked. Then take them out, and then after that just let it cool, take them out, then you're gonna be starting on your sauce. So the sauce is gonna be coming up very soon. So for the sauce, all I did is melt some butter and also put in some hot sauce, then just mix the two. Pour the sauce in there, and then just make sure that all of them are coated.
So guys, that was the recipe. I hope you'll enjoy it. The only words I can say is, when it comes to spicing, it is according to taste. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media platforms, which will be on the screen and on the description box. And guys, don't forget to visit my website. That's where all my business is at. Until next time, bye.